Consider an atom traveling at 0.90% the speed of light. The de Broglie wavelength is found to be 3.68 times 10 to the negative 15 meters. Which element is this? We know that the formula for calculating the de Broglie wavelength is lambda is equal to h over mv. Lambda is the de Broglie wavelength, h is Planck's constant, m is mass of the atom or the particle, and v is the velocity. So if we read the problem, we are already given lambda, we are given the velocity, and we also know Planck's constant. So what is missing is m, the mass of the particle, which we can solve if we rearrange the equation. So if we rearrange the equation, it becomes mass is equal to h over lambda v. So if we solve for mass, that is h 6.626 times 10 raised to negative 34 joules second. That's the value of Planck's constant h over lambda, and the unit must be in meters. So lambda is the de Broglie wavelength, 3.68 times 10 to the negative 15 meters, and v is the velocity. The problem says the atom is traveling at 0.90% the speed of light. So what is the speed of light? 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. And the particle is traveling only 0.90% of the speed of light. So we need to multiply 0.90%. So in decimal, 0.90% is 0.0090. If we solve for the mass, this is equal to 6.67 times 10 raised to negative 26, and the unit for mass in SI is kilograms. So if we use SI unit for Planck's constant, SI unit for lambda, and SI unit for velocity, we should also get SI unit for mass, which is kilograms. When we multiply mass and Avogadro's number, we get the molar mass. So 6.67 times 10 to the negative 26 kilograms times Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 per mole, that is equal to 0.0402 kilograms per mole. And in the periodic table, the molar masses are expressed in grams per mole. So let's convert this in grams per mole. So 0.0402 kilograms per mole. We know that 1 kilogram contains 1,000 grams. So kilograms will cancel. We are left with grams per mole. So this is 40.2 grams per mole. And if you check your periodic table, the element that has the molar mass closest to 40.2 is actually calcium. The molar mass of calcium is around 40 grams per mole. So the answer to this question is calcium.